Good morning, this is Jay here at Tameron Hyundai, and thank you for inquiring about the 2017 Hyundai Santa Fe third row limited package. I want to go brief overview about the vehicle. As you can see, I got many behind me of different colors and trim packages, but the limited third row, of course, comes with the third row seating. You would get 6 passengers because that middle row is a bench. Comes standard with leather seats, proximity key, push to start button, smart lift gate, power lift gate, Android Auto, Apple Car capability, also 2 heated seats, dual climate control. It comes standard with a ton of features. I can't get over all of them in this short video, but I know you're gonna love it. Also, the third row is gonna come with the America's Best warranty. That's a 5-year, 60,000 miles new car warranty, 5-year unlimited mileage roadside assistance warranty, and a 10-year, 100,000 miles on the powertrain. Now, again, here at Tameron Hyundai, we take it a step further. We want to actually double your powertrain warranty to you, no extra cost. 20 years, 200,000 miles. So give me a call. Again, this is Jay Johnson here at Tameron Hyundai. Today is Monday, so this is the beginning of the week, which means we got some great deals going on right now because of the end of the month. So give me a call again. It's Jay at Tameron, 205-380-6250.